guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my video, and this is Grateful Creations. That's my channel. This is a dried piece I did. Love it, love it, love it. I love the green in it. I love the purple in it, the blues, everything. The cells are great. Nice shimmer on the gold, and really nice, there you go, really nice cell formations. So I think this was my Decoart enamels mix. So I'm going to go back to that tonight because I have it. And this was the threesome I did with the boom gel. So this was very much, mix was really, really, really strong, you know, and so I mean, the boom gel worked nice, but and it's not horrible, but I'm just not sure. I might pour over it. It's just a little washed out, I think. So there's that one. This one was the second experiment, and this one I mixed with Liquitex pouring medium and water, and with the boom gel, and it put a lot more color on, and it turned out pretty good. There's a little ghosting on the cells, but you know, we can always take a brush and fix that too if we want, or just leave it the way it is. The other one I did was this one, and it's my fave. I love the colors. It just turned out beautiful. And these dry so flat, guys. I mean, you could put a coat of resin on it, you could put just a coat of varnish on it, it would still look great. So I am back to another adventure here. My colors are Golden Prussian Blue hue, very, very thin. This is golden, oh, this feels thick. I don't know. You can always go by feel. It does feel thick. I might add a little bit. Well, nope, I'm not going to. This is Cobalt Turquoise by Golden. This is Modern Masters in Champagne Opaque. These guys are really good. And there we go. And we have some golden quinacridone nickel azo gold with nothing else added to it. It's all on its own tonight. So I mixed all these colors with Liquitex pouring medium, a little bit of GAC 800. That would be the 1-to-1 ratio. Then about 3 parts Floetrol and about 2 parts water, maybe 2 to 3. And I also have this little guy. Whoa, Wilbur. This is Modern Masters in Black Pearl. Another pretty color. And that one does seem a little bit thick too. Yep, it is. If it's leaving a little mound, it's not good. So this was my disaster from yesterday. I don't know if you guys saw it, but the paint was so thin, it was like just gliding off the canvas when it was in the time lapse. It was funny. I watched it and I'm going, oh my gosh, that is some thin paint. So I'm gonna grab a sippy here. And here is my milk paint. I will leave the recipe in. I'm going to turn this upside down for a few minutes, guys, because I think all the good stuff is at the bottom. It's always kind of good to do that. If you want to just let your paint sit like that for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, that way you're sure that it's all mixed up, which I'm not doing. So do as I say, not as I do. So let's try this guy again. And yeah, yesterday, I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't thinking very much at all. But I tried to use the bare satin paint with just water, and then I realized this stuff's really, really strong. So then I started doing the additives to it, and I'm like, I have no idea how much I put in of what. So it was kind of a hot mess, but hey, we're allowed hot messes every so often, you know? And I will post my fails as well as my wins. That's because, you know, we don't learn we learn from each other, and we won't learn unless, you know, you guys won't learn unless I post the stuff that's crap too, you know? So, there we go. Which color do we start with tonight? All right, and composition too. Did we say that this one was thick? Yeah, it's a little thick. Yeah, thick. You know, we used to call mound on a mound on a mound thick. This is like, if there's a little tiny bit of a mound, it's too thick. So this is the Prussian blue hue. And over that, oh, it's really reacting. And I probably have way too much paint. And I love this color next to it. Next to that cobalt turquoise. Kind of iffy on the black. So we'll just put a little bit. We can always add more later. And this, what is it, champagne? Yeah, champagne. All right, moment of truth. I kind of like it. That the blues sync. The blues react really, really well. I'm telling you, I had that one painting I did, and the blues, that especially that Venetian blue, it just reacts like crazy. Somehow, some way, almost every brand of blue will react. It's kind of crazy. I don't know if I like the composition. Let me bring it over here and stretch it all the way down. Go, 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 go. Sometimes your metallic colors will not react either. So, but for the most part, Modern Masters does. And I learned that little nugget from Miss Sarah Taylor. And I'll link her channel in the description. It's not bad. I'm gonna let it, now yesterday, I messed around with it so much that it was awful. It was just awful. But hey, we don't have good days every day. So that would be it. You know, if we had good days every day, that would be a boring ride. You have to have a few bumps in the road. So I might mess around with this. I know. And I am going to give it a torch and put you guys on time lapse. Whoa, I think I'm running out of juice. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put you on time lapse and we will talk in a few. Hey guys, I'm back. So I worked on this for a little while and I like it. I really like the colors. I love the palette. I love this champagne. I'm gonna be using that again. That is just spectacular. Look at that. And the quinacridone nickel azo gold, it has, see how it has different hues? depending on what it's next to. Like that's just solid. And then right on the edge, see how it turns different colors? I love that color. Look at, see? Oh, it's fun. And there's my corner. I love this part here. I think I like the corners better than I like the center. Look at all those cells. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And look at these multicolored cells. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, and that champagne is spectacular. Gonna definitely use it again. So this is, I love this right there. I just love it. Anyhow, yeah, I really, I think I overworked some of these areas, and that this one right here a little bit. We'll see how it dries. But one thing about these paints that are so thin is you can pour over them and it's not that big a deal. Anyhow, please like, share, and subscribe, and please be safe and create. Ciao for now.